Well, good morning, goats.
Get them set up.
Hello, cutie. Hi.
Did she show you the goats yesterday?
No,
They're amazing
we got
birds.
here late.
His name is Vaughn.
Hi, Vaughn.
Good morning, Vaughn.
That means faith in Russian.
Wow, faith in Russian,
And
Vaughn.
he's got a sister. His sister has a pink collar too.
He's a good boy.
And she's over there. Her
He's a
name's
good boy.
Vera.
Mwah.
Vera. Okay.
They all were born in
Vaughn,
March.
Vaughn and Vera.
And then we have Patrick and Lincoln.
Well, Gesundheit.
Patrick's up there on the milk stand with the orange collar.
Patrick.
And then his little brother Lincoln doesn't got the orange collar because it slipped it off.
Head, shoulders, and hooves above the rest, huh?
Yeah, usually it's this guy, Barney.
Hi.
This is why we don't keep boys on premises. Like the boys that we have are fixed. They're
Yeah.
friends. They're never gonna be, dads. But
Vaughn likes to be pet, honey.
All right, baby Barney.
Oh, he said, I'm coming out.
That's why we don't have boys on premises. Because they will jump the fence to get to the girls.
He's a jumper.
The boys are.
The girls are like, we're behaved. We're behaved.
Hope figured it out. Hope can see how he jumps. And she's 240 pounds.
That's right. Write it down.
We don't want that body sailing over no fences. No way.
Is this a true story?
True story. Are you gonna jump over a fence, Hope?
Yup.
Try.
Yup.
Barney
All the
does.
time.
Barney does.